Setting up a customer and sub-customers in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to create a parent account, add locations underneath it, and keep billing at the parent while tracking sales per location. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, Customers, from your dashboard. This is where you manage your customer list, parent accounts, and their sub-customers. A parent is the overall account, like a distributor or a restaurant group. A sub-customer is a specific location underneath it, like one restaurant in a chain. Click New Customer to create a parent account. Name, billing address, terms. Once that's saved, use Add Sub-Customer to create individual locations underneath it, each with its own shipping address and price list, while still rolling up to the parent for billing. Expand any parent row, and you'll see its sub-customers listed underneath, like Copper Kettle Kitchen with its 3 locations. This way you invoice at the parent level while still tracking sales and pricing separately per location.